I'm Michael and this is Keely, and this video is about putting your parrot back in the cage. Visit trainparrot.com for more information. It is important to make the process of going back to the cage rewarding for your parrot. Otherwise, it may become aggressive when it's time to step up or to go back in the cage. Make it rewarding by feeding it its meals in its cage after going back. Step up. Good bird. By letting your parrot eat a meal when it goes back to its cage, it'll look forward to going back and it won't be a punishment. Good bird.